Hi, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ito na nga, post kanina nila David at saka Tita Eden calling all Clark Foodie. Kuya Korea SM Clark is now open. So parang walang ribbon cutting. At ito nga post ng matabang best friend ni Kisen na si Daniela. Ayan. Kasama din siya. Nagpa-picture kay David Licauco ng opening yan, guys. Kahapon. At ito naman, yung kaninang umaga, habang hinihintay nilang magbukas ang Kuya Korea, na akala nila may ribbon cutting pero wala naman pala kahit na grand opening. At ito naman ay nung kahapon, ayan. At yun nga si Kisen, guys. So katabi niya nga sa chair si Dustin Yu, di ba si Dustin Yu, ang kanilang chaperon. At yan na nga, dinumuga ng mga tao kahapon si David Licauco at may nagbibideo at ayan, ang daming tao, guys. At yun nga, tumayo nga si Kisen. Alam niyo si Kisen, hindi naman pwedeng hindi makuna ng video o picture yun, di ba? Grabe, pabida kasi talaga yan. Natural niya yun, guys. Ayan na nga, tumayo siya para makuna ng video at makita ng mga taong bayan. Siyempre, siya pa ba? At yun na nga si David na pinipicturan ng mga fans. At yun talaga pumesto siya doon sa makikita siya ng camera. At ito naman another video ng Kuya Korea opening. Parang kanina yata to, if I'm not mistaken. Ayan na nga, more. Yan yung mga employees, satisfying daw. At ayun yung menu nila. At yan na nga, foods. O kanina to, guys. At ayan, Kuya Korea. At ito nga video na to, ayun o, si Kisen, guys. So, yan na nga, tambay na siya dyan. So, every time na wala siguro siyang klase, ipupunta siya dyan. Kasi nga, ano sila, parang shareholders yata, I'm not sure. Pero yung uncle niya, alam ko ano, is sa mga investors dyan. At yan na nga, Kuya Korea. So, eto na more videos. Ito naman yung nung 30 kahapon. Nandiyan naman si David. Hindi nga nakapunta si David ngayon, guys, kasi daw parang may may taping yata. So, parang puspusan na yung pagtitaping nila sa pulang araw. Para malapit, kasi malapit na itong ipalabas, guys. Ayan na nga si David. Nung pumunta siya nung 30th sa Kuya Korea SM Clark. At ito naman, pinost ni David yung pinost ng GMA Artist Center na pambansang ginoo as an entrepreneur. Ayun na nga, sa niyang open na business. At syempre, in support ay pumunta nga ang mga Bardanatics kanina. Ayan. Sa Kuya Korea, SM Clark. So, unfortunately, wala kang ribbon cutting at nag-soft opening lang. Kaya hindi nakapunta si David. At para may taping nga daw yata. Kaya hindi siya nakapunta. Pero in fairness, trending pa rin siya kaninang hapon. At hanggang ngayong gabi sa Business and Finance. At ito nga post ni Jin Licauco, sabi niya Jim, at nanalo nga sila ng bronze sa 2024 ABC Challenge Cup. At next naman ay pinost ng GMA Network kaninang hapon, sabi, Barda fans, mark your calendars, Barbie and David will be featured in a multi-episode story of Daig Kayo ng Lola Ko. So akala namin bago pero luma pala, guys, yun palang last year yon. Yung Lady and Luke ng Daig Kayo ng Lola Ko. Pero guys, ito na. Grabe. Are you ready for Miss Love, Coach, and Mr. Perfect? That Kind of Love, June 1, 7 p.m. That Kind of Love official teaser trailer. Grabe. I'm so excited. Finally, lahat ng paghihirap ko kay David tsaka Barbie mapapalitan na ng kalagayan dito sa pelikula to. Diyos ko, grabe. Anyway, David was also featured on 24 Oras tonight. Let's watch this.
Bukod sa negosyo, puspusan na ang taping ni David Licauco para sa upcoming family drama series na Pulang Araw. Pero bago niyan, Team Barda is excited sa inabangang pelikulang That Kind of Love kung saan very David ang lead male character. Panoorin sa chika ni Nelson Canlas.
Matapos ma-feature sa Jinseo Arigato International Film Festival sa Japan recently, mag-ready ng maglayag muli ang Barda fans dahil this June mapapanood na sa bansa ang much-awaited film ni na Barbie Fortesa at David Licauco na That Kind of Love. Aminado si David na iba ang kilig na naramdaman niya while dubbing the movie. Nakita rin daw kasi niya ang kanyang sarili sa character na kanyang ginampanan.
He's very serious, very businessman. Tapos kapag mangligaw siya, todo bigay. And I think ganoon ako in real life. Dinala pa niya sa Korea yung love of his life. Ginawa ko na rin yun. Pumunta na rin ako ng Korea para sa mahal ko. Pero doon, kasi talaga naka-helicopter siya, naka-aeroplano siya, private jet, diba?
Very happy raw si David lalo't kasama niya sa pelikula si Barbie.
Hindi naman lahat ng tao bibigyan ng pelikula at kasama ko dito si Barbie. So to be given that chance, I'm just really grateful.
Bukod sa upcoming film, puspusan din ang taping ni David para sa upcoming Kapuso family drama series na Pulang Araw. Hands-on din siya sa kanyang growing business. Tip ng pambansang Ginoo sa kabila ng busy schedule: prioritize and always stick to your core.
I want to get the job done and mahal ko yung ginagawa ko parehas. Kailangan kong magstay in the moment. Tsaka siguro pa minsan, what helps also, like, yung thinking why I'm doing it. Diba? So, ayun. Yeah, tsaka keeps me motivated and keeps me inspired.
Nelson Canlas updated sa showbiz happenings.
Grabe, hindi na ako kinikilig doon sa mahal niya. Kainis, no? Nalis nila yung kilig ko, nakakagigil to dalawang to. At saka ba't masyadong haggard yung itsura niya? Hindi ko rin gusto yung t-shirt niya, no? Grabe. Yun bang parang haggard na sobrang payat na parang ang dami ng anak ni David, no? Ano ba yan? Anyway, next ay post ni James Licauco sa Instagram. Sabi niya, good food, good company, and an ice-cold Coke Zero. What more could you ask for? Visit the link in my bio and check the food marks to create your own recipe for magic.
Hello, come get ready with me. So for today, I wanted to try something new, something different. Dadalhin ko friends ko sa Binondo, pero shush lang kasi hindi pa nila alam kung saan tayo pupunta. All they know is that we're going out to eat. I'm going to bring them to a very memorable restaurant for me. This is close to my heart kasi my mom and I used to go here a lot. This was the restaurant where I got to know more about her and her childhood. So this restaurant has seen many laughs and smiles from my mom and I. But syempre, now that I've gotten older, we haven't gotten the time to go back. So I wanted to share this moment with my friends. Since bago to, why don't we call it James Eats? Yeah, James Eats. So guys, we just got here sa Binondo. Nakita ko na yung restaurant and I'm so excited to bring my friends along with me. And this is known as the oldest fast food restaurant here in Binondo. Tapos when I was young kasi, parang me and my mom would always hang out here, kwentuhan lang, ganun. Yeah. Pero nga, syempre like now with volleyball, academics and all, so we didn't really get to go here na often. That's why I wanted to bring you guys here, a way to, like, bond more. Yeah, and like creating a new memory with my friends. So I just went back from Binondo, from Changi. I'm just really happy that I was able to go back to Changi, to the place where me and my mom started to bond, share stories, catch up with one another. That's where our relationship grew. That's where we started to become closer. Because of Changi, I would even say, our bond right now is really strong. So close to kami ng nanay ko. I'm just really happy that I got to experience another moment in Changi, but this time with my friends, because apart from my family, I really, really value and love my friends. Just having that moment where I get to spend time with my friends, get to tell each other stories, have fun, and especially because we're all so busy with our schedules. What more could you ask for? It's a moment with friends, good food, good stories, and an ice-cold Coke Zero. It's really different. Tapos ang init pa sa Pilipinas. Tapos just sipping that Coke Zero mixed with all the stories. Perfect. It's just a perfect moment.
You can check out the different Food Mark locations here and even create your very own recipe for magic today.
More
And guys, this was exactly 1 year ago that I posted on my TikTok video nung nagpunta sa Sydney si David. Actually,
from the cake.
this was May 30, 2023, guys. Ayan na nga. Nauna yung sila James, tsaka sila Tita Eden doon. Tapos sumunod, the next day si David naman, at tsaka si Tito Jack ang umalis. Papuntang Sydney, Australia. That was last year. Ayan na nga si James. Ayan, si James, tsaka si Tita Eden. Ayan, yung sumakay ng airplane sila David. Actually, walang masyado nag-announce na alis sila nung araw na yan. Kaya na-surprise din kami. At ito naman, more pictures of the handsome David Licauco. This was exactly 1 year ago on the 31st in Sydney. Now, in fairness naman dun sa dun sa food vlog ni James, mukhang masarap nga dun. Mukhang gusto ko i-try pag napunta akong Binondo. Ayan, napaka-macho pa ni David dyan. Unlike ngayon, mukhang macho pa rin, pero ang pait-pait yan talagang tingnan doon sa kasuot niya. Tapos di pa siya nagsusuklay. Haggard na haggard, no? Grabe. Tapos, diba, no? At least si James, no? Napaka-social, napaka-gwapo, napaka-talino, no? Tapos si David, haggard na haggard sa business, ang payat-payat. Grabe. Pero ito na nga, yung sa Sydney Opera House, ng mga Licauco. Ayan, si David. At si Tita Eden. At si Jean Licauco. And I also love the song, No Place I'd Rather Be. Yung kay yung kay Rihanna, mas gusto ko. Diba? Ayan, si James. Oh, more of James. Ayan, si David. At yan, flowers. At yan, si Sydney. Ano yung mahilig dyan sa wine? Now guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barda updates. See you on my next vlog. Bye!